Hello class, welcome back. I'm really happy that you are here and I hope you are ready to start with this new class. And today we're going to start as always by doing a review of the activities that we did yesterday, because it's super important that you remember what is this about we were doing yesterday. If you haven't sent these activities to me, well, it's pretty important that you pay attention right now and try not to miss the videos so you don't get delayed by doing your activities. So first of all, we did some activities and we learned about how to cross safely the streets. Then we have 3 steps in the student's book, 3 steps that you need to practice when you go out, when you cross the streets. You need to look out, to wait for the traffic light, to the green man to appear in the traffic light or walking light. So it's pretty important. This is why I show you these pictures, and then we have the sidewalk, we have the crosswalk, and this is important vocabulary also in here. Like we have the stop light, the stop sign, then we have helmet. These are special helmets for using while we are riding a bicycle. Then we have the traffic lights, and it has red, yellow, and green. And then we have the sidewalk and the crosswalk. Crosswalk are usually yellow, and sometimes they are white, right? Have you seen them? So this time right now we are going to review the vocabulary from this unit. I added some new words, like if you remember in this unit that it's called In My Town, we are learning like the places in the city, the public places, that the important things that you can see in the streets, like asking or giving directions to find a place. So right now we are going to practice and review this vocabulary, and I want you to repeat please with me these words. Like, first of all, we had movie theater. Then we have restaurant. Okay, very good. And then we have gas station. Train station. Okay, and then we have bus stop, and post office. Very good. Then we have bookstore. Pay attention to this. Bookstore. Computer store. Supermarket, and shopping mall. Okay, then we have bank, hospital, and then we have park, and church. Very good. Right now we are going to go to the activities that we have planned for today, and this time is the time that we are going to start using the workbook. Okay, so it's pretty important that you pay attention to the vocabulary, because even if we are not like cutting and pasting or drawing the vocabulary this time, because I know it's difficult to draw like a bookstore, draw a restaurant. I know this is difficult to do, or finding pictures to cut and paste, but I'm trusting that you are practicing the vocabulary and repeating with me at home. So the pages that we are going to do today are pages 34 and 35 from the workbook. Okay, I have my workbook here, and I hope you have your workbook by your side. So now we are going to do page 34, and we have only one activity. It's quite easy, and we have activity number 1, look and match. We have numbers from 1 to 5. 1, train station. 2. Movie theater. 3. Bank. 4. Restaurant. 5. Supermarket. And then we have letters from A, B, C, D, E. And of course, as the instruction says, we are going to look at the pictures, at the names of the places that we just reviewed, and you're going to match it. Please try to use different colors so you don't get confused by matching, okay? So once that you finish, we can go to workbook page 35. Activity 2 says, listen and sing. Circle the places on the map. Okay, so this is the song, and we have the places like bookstore, it's in blue or green. Blue, it's blue. Then we have take the bus, it means like the bus stop. Then we have post office, and you are going to find these 3 places here in the map that you have in here. Now, when you find these places, you are going to circle them, okay? So we are going to listen to the song Maps Are Great, and you already know this song because we sang it when we were doing the activities from the students book. So now we are going to listen, and you need to pay attention carefully so we can do these activities. Listen to it right now.
Workbook, page 35. Activity 2. Listen and sing. Circle the places on the map. Maps are great song.
Where's the bookstore? I want to buy a book.
Here I have a map. Come on, let's take a look. The bookstore is on River Street.
River Street.
It isn't far from us. Do you want to walk there?
No thanks, let's take the bus. I want to mail a letter to. Is there a post office? Do you know?
I'm looking at the map. Yes, there is. It's near the bookstore.
Come on, let's go.
Maps are really great. I use them every day. In town or out of town, they help me find my way.
Okay, very good. I hope you find out all the places. If you could listen, they say River Street, that you can see in here. Now, activity 3 says, what's in your town? Okay, we are thinking about Merida, okay? Not this map, not other maps. We are going to think about Merida. I know Merida, it's a huge town, it's a huge city, but we're going to think about some places that we've been into. And what places do we have in here? I hope we have lots of them, most of them. First, you are going to check the places that we have here in Merida. We have bookstore. Do we have bookstores here in Merida? Post office. Yes or no? Bus stop. Do we have bus stops in Merida? Check or not check? Gas stations. And the last one is computer store. So you need to think about this. It's really easy. Maybe your parents, your grandparents, or the people that help you to do your activities can help you do this activity. Right. Don't forget to take pictures of these 2 pages and send them to me. Of course, if you have questions about the topics, please send a message to me by the platform, and I'll be happy to answer to you all the times. Don't forget to send your activities on time if you are able to, if you don't have problems in doing it. It's super important that you send these activities. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a nice and beautiful day. Goodbye.